Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos. Welcome. In this video we will discover Instagram stories and design your first story with Canva. What are Instagram stories? You have two options of publishing content on Instagram. Right now, you are seeing an Instagram post in front of you. This one will be posted to the Instagram page of your business. You also have the option to create stories. When someone posts the stories, you will see that there is a circle around the company logo. Once you click on it, a new screen will open and you will see the Instagram stories shown that the company posted. You can also advance to the next page by clicking on the little arrow. Instagram stories will be visible for 24 hours and then automatically disappear. Stories give you a chance to not only share perfect photos with your target audience, but also snapshots related to your business and brand. These images of short videos follow a new trend. Share short-lived moments that do not need to be perfect, but actually authentic. Take a look at your favorite businesses. Use the search bar to look them up and then see if they are offering a story right now. What content do they have up? What are they sharing with their followers? Start gathering inspiration for your own Instagram stories. I would like to point out that you cannot post and share stories when using the desktop version of Instagram. You will need to access the app on your smartphone and then click on the little plus symbol in the upper right corner. We will now return to the Canva homepage that we used before. In case you are not seeing the homepage, simply click on the Canva button in the upper left corner. In case you are no longer logged in, pause the video now to complete this step. You should see the Canva homepage on your screen. Click on Templates in the upper left corner and then choose the option Instagram Stories from the drop-down list. A new screen will open and you will see all the different templates that Canva offers in this category. On the left side, there are a bunch of different categories that you can select in order to limit your search and results. Also, keep in mind that some templates are not free of use, so you will want to make sure clicking on free. The category photo will show you only templates that allow you to incorporate images. Take a look at what is being offered. Once you have selected a template that you would like to use, click on it. I am going to use this one. You can find it by searching for this title. You will now find yourself in your Canva workspace and can start editing your template of choice. In order to swap out the images, either use photos from the Canva catalog or images that you uploaded into your Canva account. I am, for example, going to use these images that I uploaded. Simply drag and drop them inside your template. If there are elements in your template that you wish to remove, simply click on Delete. Also, swap out the text in your template. If you wish, you can choose to exchange colors. Our Instagram story is ready to be shared. Click on the Share button in the upper right corner and then select the option Download. You will now be able to download your story. Canva also offers another neat feature. Click on Share on Social and then select the option Instagram. If you have your account connected, a QR code will appear that you can scan to directly post your story on Instagram. In a story, you can share photos or videos. Videos have a maximum length of 15 seconds. Congratulations! In this video you discovered Instagram stories and designed your first story with Canva. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon.